Picture this, you're an engineer and you've reached a crossroads in your career. Have you ever wondered why someone would want to become an engineering manager? Let's start with leadership. The role of an engineering manager is not just about supervising a team, it's about steering the ship. It's about setting a course for your team and inspiring them to follow you on that journey. It's about making decisions that affect not just your team, but potentially the entire organization. It's about having the opportunity to leave your imprint on the company, to make a difference. Leadership is a powerful lure, but it's not just about being in charge. It's also about the opportunity to shape the direction of products or projects. As an engineer, you're often focused on the technical details, the nuts and bolts of a project, but as a manager, you get to see the bigger picture. You have the power to influence the trajectory of a product or a project. You can steer it in a direction that aligns with your vision and the vision of the company. And there's a certain thrill in that, a sense of satisfaction that comes from seeing your ideas come to life. And then there's the impact. As an engineering manager, you're not just affecting the work of your team, you're influencing the entire product line. Your decisions can have far-reaching effects, impacting the success of the company and potentially even the industry. That's a lot of responsibility, and it's not for everyone. But for those who are drawn to that kind of challenge, the role of engineering manager can be incredibly rewarding. So, if you're at that crossroads in your career, if you're contemplating taking that step up the ladder, consider the allure of leadership. Reflect on the opportunity to shape products and projects, and the possibility of making a real impact. Indeed, leadership and influence are powerful motivators in the quest to become an engineering manager. But it's not all about power and influence. Have you considered the personal growth that comes with being an engineering manager? Indeed, when we think of personal growth, it's not just about climbing the career ladder or building technical expertise. It's also about developing a set of soft skills that are highly beneficial in all areas of life. As an engineering manager, you'll need to hone your communication skills, for instance. You'll often be the bridge between your team and the rest of the organization, translating complex technical jargon into language that everyone can understand. Conflict resolution is another vital skill. In any team, disagreements are bound to occur. As a manager, you'll need to mediate, negotiate, and find common ground, ensuring that everyone's voice is heard and respected. This skill isn't just useful in the workplace, it can help you navigate personal relationships and social interactions with grace and understanding. Then there's leadership, the ability to inspire and motivate your team, to build trust, and to guide others towards a shared goal. This is a skill that can be deeply rewarding, both in terms of career success and personal fulfillment. It's a skill that you can carry with you, no matter where your path may lead. But personal growth isn't the only benefit of becoming an engineering manager. There's also the broader scope of work. Rather than focusing on individual tasks, you'll have the opportunity to see and influence the bigger picture. You'll be involved in strategic planning, decision-making, and shaping the direction of your team's projects. You'll have a hand in the creation of products that could potentially impact millions of people. It's a chance to leave your mark, not just on your organization, but on the world. So think about it. Imagine the satisfaction of developing essential life skills, of seeing the fruits of your labor in the form of successful projects, of knowing that you played a part in something bigger than yourself. Personal development and a broader perspective. Two more compelling reasons to step into the role of an engineering manager. There's more to the story. What about mentorship, the challenge, and the change of pace? Let's delve into these facets. Firstly, mentorship. As an engineering manager, you become a guiding light for the next generation of engineers. You nurture their talent, foster their growth, and help them navigate the complex maze of engineering with your knowledge and experience. You see, mentorship isn't just about imparting wisdom, it's about cultivating a legacy of excellence. It's about the satisfaction of seeing a young engineer whom you've guided solve a complex problem or lead a crucial project. It's about creating a ripple effect of knowledge and skill that transcends time and boundaries. Next up, the challenge. Engineering management isn't a walk in the park, it's an intellectual jungle gym that keeps your mind agile and your skills sharp. Strategic planning, budgeting, hiring, these aren't just tasks, they're puzzles waiting to be solved. Each day brings a new challenge, a new opportunity to flex your strategic muscles and prove your mettle. It's a role that pushes you to grow, not just as a manager, but as a thinker, a problem solver, and a leader. And then there's the change of pace. After years of coding or technical work, some engineers yearn for a different rhythm. They crave a fresh set of challenges, a new landscape to explore. They seek to trade the comfort of the known for the thrill of the unknown, and engineering management provides just that, a chance to step out of the technical trenches and onto the strategic battlefield. It's not about leaving your technical roots behind. It's about broadening your horizon, about branching out and blossoming in new directions. Mentorship, challenge, and a change of pace. 3 more ingredients in the recipe for becoming an engineering manager. So if you're looking for an opportunity to lead, to influence, to grow, and to make a lasting impact, then engineering management could be your next adventure.